In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar as a to-do list. If you already use Google Calendar to manage meetings, appointments, or reminders, turning it into a simple to-do system can make your day much easier to organize. Instead of keeping your schedule in one place and your tasks somewhere else, you can bring both together so you can actually see what needs to get done and when you plan to do it. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer. This works best on a desktop or laptop because the layout makes it much easier to view your calendar and your task list side by side. Once the calendar is open, look over to the panel on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a row of icons there, and the one you want is the blue checkmark icon for tasks. Click that tasks icon to open the Google Tasks panel. This is where you can create and manage your to-do items directly from inside Google Calendar. If the panel isn't already expanded, clicking the icon will bring it into view so you can start adding tasks without leaving your calendar. Next, click Add a Task. A new task entry field will appear, and this is where you can type out your to-do item. Try to keep the task name clear and specific so it's easy to understand at a glance later. For example, instead of writing something vague, make it something actionable that tells you exactly what needs attention. After typing the task, add a date and time. This is the key part if you want to use Google Calendar as a real to-do list instead of just a storage space for tasks. When you assign a date and time, the task will automatically appear on your calendar grid. That means it becomes part of your actual schedule, which helps you block time for important work and avoid forgetting it. This setup is especially helpful if you like time-based planning. Seeing your tasks directly on the calendar can help you estimate how much you can realistically get done in a day. It also makes your to-do list feel more concrete, because each item now has a place in your schedule, rather than floating around as an unfinished reminder. Once your task appears on the calendar, you can review it alongside the rest of your day and adjust as needed. That's all it takes to start using Google Calendar as a to-do list in a simple, practical way.